Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. You know, back in I think probably June or July of last year, I got these interior mats called TUXMats. They're made here in Canada, and they made very good, well-fitted mats for the Model 3. Well, I did a whole video of installation and everything, and I went through a whole winter with them, and I remember saying it'll be good to see how these handle through the winter. And now the winter has come and gone, so let's take a look and see how they did. Sorry for the mess, guys. So these are the winter mats. Now they look worse in the winter. They had a lot of salt. I'll put a picture up and show you what it looked like with all the salt that they had on it. But this is just them dirty now. Now I have to clean them. Now I was told that you can see even salt way over there in the corner there. Now I was told I can just clean this with, you know, just regular soap and water and a little bit of elbow grease with a hard bristled brush, and it'll come out. So let's give it a try. They even made liners for the frunk here, as you can see. I don't know what that is. My wife must have done something there. So that's the frunk, and this is the liner for the trunk. You can see it's not that dirty. It's just got some snow fell in it because, you know, the whole lip thing here with the Model 3, it's a bad design. Anyways, so we're gonna pull this out also and see if we can clean this up a little bit and get ready for spring. Here's a quick look at the back seats. Now this is where all the mass destruction takes place, because I have 2 kids that sometimes feel like I have 4 kids. And you know, like I said back in the summer when I first got this car and when I first got the mats, is my motto is you can't have anything good with kids. And some people replied to my comments and said, well, don't have kids. I don't know if that's the solution. I mean, it is. You don't have to have kids, but I chose to. Hey, so when I first got these mats, a lot of people complained in the comments they noticed when I was doing the installation. Hold on, I'm getting an Amazon package. That's a funny Amazon guy. I've never met many Amazon guys before. Anyways, getting back to the video. So, like I was saying, when people got these, a lot of people were saying that they didn't like them because there's these clips, these retaining clips along the side that you have to put in to keep the mat secured. And a lot of people said for taking the mat in and out, it would be a pain in the to actually have to take these out all the time, and that's one of the reasons some people didn't like these. But you know what, I don't think it's that much of a pain. Let me show you how easy it is to take out. So all you do is there's a center, like a retaining anchor clip right in the center. You just turn it, I think half a turn, and then it pops out because you hold it down. I'll show you. Turn half a turn, it pops up, and then these clips, I mean, you can put in 10 clips on each side. I think TUXMAT gives you quite a bit of clips, but I only put the ones that are needed. There was one at the top here, one on the bottom here, one right here, and 2 on the side here, and that's it. It's that easy. The whole mat afterwards just comes right out. Like, how long did that take? That took no time at all. Look how dirty it is. So that's all the crap in the mat. And then I'll just show you in here. I'll be the first to admit I didn't clean these mats all winter. I didn't take them out. So this stuff here, that is just from when I was taking them out just now. I guess when I tilted it up a bit, some fell in the sides here and around here and stuff like that. So that's what those are from. Hey, and there's even money. So there's another one over there in the back set, and I'll take those out and show you how easy it is. Okay, and these back ones come out just the same way. They've just got clips, and I didn't put that many clips, so you didn't need that many clips. There's like maybe 3 or 4 per side, and I took the other ones out on the other side already. And it's probably best if you have 2 people, like a friend, to help you because it's so long. I don't have friends, so I'm gonna do this on my own. Comes up like this, hold it up, and you bring the whole thing out. Now the reason I say it's probably best if you have friends is because you notice when I took it out I had to angle it, tilt it down a little bit, and a lot of the dirt just went right down into the carpet. So it defeated the whole purpose there. But if you can next time, And what I would do next time is tilt it up this way, so it has a lip that goes up on the back of the, or the front of this arm or chair here. So I would suggest next time just tilting it up, because as you can see over there, I spilled a lot, so I'm gonna have to vacuum all that. But that's how easy it is, folks. It is not that hard to take out. And to put them back in afterwards, you just put them back in. And this is what they look like now. This is the passenger one, the front passenger. See how dirty? Sorry, this is the driver's side. This is the front passenger. And this is the back seat. So this is the before. Let me clean these up and show you what the after effect is. And these are the little clips I was talking about. See, there's clips all along here. So there you have it. That's the first one I did, and you know, I'll just do the other ones. Just a little bit of soap and water. I used a little scrubbing brush, as you saw there, and it all came out. Like, I'm just gonna let it dry and see how it dries. But I think by the looks of it, just one pass over there, and like I said, I wasn't even scrubbing too hard. Wow, folks. Well, I am impressed. This is the finished product. As you can see, it's the back mats there. This is the driver's side, and this is the passenger side. In great condition. Like I said before, just a light little scrub, a little bit of soap and water, and hose it off, let it dry for a little bit, and look, all the salt, all the dirt, all the grime came out. They look brand new. I really didn't think they were gonna look this good, folks. Like, I am quite amazed how good they look. I mean, I knew that they would get the salt out, and I thought maybe I'd have to scrub it twice to get the actual dirt and mud out, because there was some kind of like brown mud in there. But you know what, I'm thoroughly impressed. Whoa. There you have it, folks. That is, I guess you could say, a 6, 8, maybe 9 month review of the Tuxmats for the Model 3. They were good in the winter. They kept any salt out. The carpets, when I picked them up and I vacuumed out the carpets just now, the carpets are immaculate. The carpets look like they were day one, other than, like I said, when I lifted it up, I tipped it, and a lot of the contents in there went into the back seat. So I just had to vacuum it up, but the carpets are pristine. So it's doing its job. It's actually protecting the car. So I can't say anything better about it than I already did. Like, they're good quality mats. They feel good. Now, the design, that's subjective. So, you know, it's up to you whether you liked it or not. I personally like that rib design. It took me a little while getting used to it, I'll be quite honest. But, you know, WeatherTechs have a design, and what's that other name brand? I forget. If I remember, I'll put it right here. The other name brand of the other one I'm thinking about. It has a 3D thing in it. Anyways, they're all comparable. They're all around the same price, and they all do a good job. Like, these ones, I don't know. Well, I can tell you one thing. I've had WeatherTechs for probably the last 3 or 4 cars, probably like 10, 15 years now. And you got to do the same thing in the wintertime. You got to take them out. You got to scrub them off, hose them off like that to get all the salt and mud out and everything. And when I had gray ones weren't that bad. They didn't really discolor too much. But the black ones I had, like I have in my wife's Highlander, you got to go through them 2 or 3 times to get the salt and the mud out. And even after you wash it and rinse it off and everything and dries, you can still see it there because it's black, and it's kind of, the WeatherTechs have that kind of texture. Don't get me wrong, I love WeatherTechs, they're good mats, but these ones, I'm just so surprised how good they came out, folks. What else can I say about it? You know what, folks? Tell me what kind of mats you guys are using, what you suggest or what you recommend. Because if you got a Model 3, you got to protect the mats. You paid so much for the car as it is. You want it good quality mats. All you people that are now getting your Model 3s, the Standard Plus or the mid-range or whatever, correct me if I'm wrong, but I don't think up to now, when I'm filming this video at the end of April 2019, that WeatherTech actually has mats out for the Model 3. Who knows? Maybe they do, maybe they don't. I haven't, since I got the These ones I haven't bothered looking to see other ones. And of course there are the Tesla mats too. You can get the stock Tesla, what they call their all-weather or winter mats. You can get those ones too. All roughly about the same price, give or take a few dollars, folks. Tell me what you think in the comments below. And you know what? That's all I got for you today. We'll see you in the next one. Take care. Where your foot stays, where your foot is usually by the accelerator pedal. I can't say anything more. I can't say any. So there you have it, folks. That's it. Whoa.